Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private. So first of all, I'll tell you this will work only in personal account, and this will not work in a business account or creator account. So if you have a personal account, you can proceed with this. Now on the top you can see this three horizontal line, tap there. Now on the bottom you can see this settings, tap there. Now you can see privacy, tap there. Now you will see account privacy, tap there. So now on the top you have to make the switch blue. Okay, this will not work with me because I have a business account, but if you have a personal account, this will work with you. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can make your account private. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.